Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Last lecture we have read the checkbox example. In this series, in this third lecture of Android Studio, I'm going to give the example of radio button. So here I'm giving the name of the application, my radio example. Then finish. So it's coming fast now. We have to close the previous application first of all. Then here we will make a coding of this one. Now it's running fast. So once again, just we capitalize this, make a zoom and select this and delete hello world, and we can resize the screen also. This is the screen where we have to design. Now in this example we are going to take the example of radio buttons, how we can use radio button in Android Studio for making Android programming. So first of all, we are using a text field. So in this text field we are displaying it like this. Okay, so text field. Then because it's a radio button, so in radio button, first of all we have to give a radio group, because radio buttons comes under radio group. In checkbox we have a multiple choice of option, but in radio button we have to select only one choice at a time. So that's why we have to put this radio button under this radio group. So we are giving a size of this. Okay, so here in the size we can give the screen also. We are just giving it a screen like this. We are increasing the size also like this. Okay, so in this area, this is your information, this is your radio button. So in this radio group we are dropping a radio button like this, one radio button. Okay, like this. Again select a radio group, then again second radio button. So these are radio buttons. Okay, only two I am taking. Now go to XML. Here we are giving select your gender. Okay, select your gender like this. So here we have select your gender, but it's coming very small. So again we have to give the size also. So text size is 35 dp. Then text alignment is center. So if we see this, so automatically it's come to the center, and we just put it here, and this is coming, is not looking fine. So what we have to do, we have to adjust the size also. So here we are giving the size the match parent, and here we are giving the wrap content. So what is the match parent? So by match parent it take the full complete width, or by wrap content in height it will adjust the what is the width of the text. According to the width of the text is a wrap content, and because we have given the full height, so it's called match parent. So match parent take whole width, complete width, complete width, and height is according to the length of the text. Now this is your gender. So now we have giving the name to this also radio button. So this is radio group, so we have to give the id to radio group also. So here we are giving a id. So for id we have to give like this, and here we are giving a name, gen radio rdg radio group. gender is the name of the ID, group ID. Then we are giving the name here male, and name of the radio button we are giving RBT. Radio button name is male. Okay, again here button 2, so I'm giving a name RBTN female. Okay, and giving the text value to female. So it like this come, but it is not, we are not giving the constant also, means we are not fixing on a screen. So as I told you in last lecture also, for fixing on a screen just click on this button info, and automatically they will take the screen size like this. Already fixed, this is also fixed for the top, left, right, bottom, everything is fixed. So by this way we can adjust the this one also, and we can uh, put this under the okay. So it is ready now. So radio group, so under this radio group we have to put, this radio group is out of this, so what we have to do, we have to close the radio group here, otherwise it will generate error. You have to close the radio group here. Radio group, and we have to from here. Okay, you have to close here because we want these buttons should come under radio group, so they are coming outside this, now they are coming under the this one. You should come here. Why it's giving a problem? Now you see I have adjusted the size of this under the layout. So for that I have given the same left width is 44 dp, and this is also left for radio button male is 44 dp. So automatically from the left side it comes on the same place. Now designing part have been completed. Now we have to go for coding. So here we have to declare the radio group. Okay, RGB. So radio group instead of radio button. So now we have to declare radio button also, but see without radio button. So RGB equal to find view by ID. So R dot ID dot RGB gender. So you see these are the radio group ID. So I have given earlier also here, if you see, so radio button ID we have given this one, radio button ID, so that we have taken here in Java. Now we have to take event handling RGB dot set on check change listener, because we are changing the check in under the group. So here we are giving no new on check change listener, and here is coming the listener. So now we have to check the which particular button you are pressing, which radio button you are pressing, male or female. For that we are giving a switch case here. In a switch case we are passing I. So I is the ID of the radio button. So we put R dot ID dot then radio button male, if there is a male, so we have to this say cache. This is case 1. Okay, then we have to give a break, then case second r dot id dot rbt female. Okay, then again break. So here we are giving a code toast dot make text get application context, then you select ted mail. Okay, then duration of the toast is short period of time, then show. Okay, again here we can copy paste here also, but in place of male we just say female. Now everything is okay, just click on this and run the code. It take little bit of time. And it is coming here, see, it is coming. Now you see, when I click on this display you select male, when I click on this it say you select female, and you see only one item you can select at a time because you have put all these things under the one single group, radio group. That's why only one you can select at a time in radio button. So this is example for radio button. See you in the next example, in which we will take more example about toggle buttons and switch also. So see you again in next